In this video you will learn how to publish an app on the Play Store using Lovable AI, create your app in Lovable AI, use Lovable AI to design and build your app, then export the final APK or AAB file, set up a Google Play developer account, sign up for a Google Play account, then pay the one-time registration fee. Prepare the store licensing or listing details, write your app description, upload screenshots, icons and set your app category. Upload your app file. Go to Google Play Console and upload your APK or AAB file under the new app project. Complete app content and policy. Fill out privacy policy, content rating and app client forms. Submit your app for review. Publish your app and wait for Google's review and your approval process. Now you know how to publish an app on the Play Store using Lovable AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.